When is a next hop not a next hop? Well, I just want to do this little example here so that you can see the impact of the protocol next hop when it comes to confederations and also root reflector if we're not careful with how they're set. And they're largely invisible, and they're easy to forget about. So this is a, it's a type of gotcha for sure. Okay, so we have a route coming in here from EBGP, and we have PE5. PE5 does a true next hop self because it's from EBGP to IBGP. And on PE4, when we look at the route, so we do show route on PE4, we see a forwarding next hop, which is generally the router in the data plane. And we see a protocol next hop, which is the loopback of PE5, because we're using loopbacks and we've specified next hop self on PE5. Now, when you do show route, all you see are these forwarding next hops, and we're quite used to seeing the data plane there and having an awareness that there's something deeper, but the data plane's good. It's only when you go into detail or extensive that you see these protocol next hops. Now, when you see in the manuals that that Confederation BGP does not change the next hop across its CBGP interfaces, it's referring to the protocol next hop, not the forwarding next hop. So, if PE4 was to go out true to send this route out of true EBGP, it would of course change the next hop. It's part of the function of IBGP to EBGP. However, what's it going to do across CBGP? Well, let's take a look. So here we are in the left side mini AS. We're on PE2. We do show route. The forwarding next hop in this case is PE3. They're directly connected, say, as well as being IBGP peers. But the protocol next hop remains unchanged. So the Confederation BGP has not changed this protocol next hop. However, you can't see that it's unchanged unless you look deep into detail or extensive. Okay, so if we are now running next hop self on our PEs, we have to be incredibly careful that we don't damage these protocol next hops, because apart from anything else, it's invisible when you change it, because on a show route, you're not going to see it. You have to go into the detail to see this next hop change. Okay, so we're running our next hop self here. In this particular example, which is in the chapters, exactly the same issue appears in the Superlab as well, between the Superlab 2, between the Confederation BGP and the IBGP. Now in the chapters, we're running from protocol BGP, from route type external, and this is a very useful command because route type external really does select the true externals, which means on PE3, if you specify from route type external, it will not specify routes that have come over CBGP, and they will not have the protocol next hop damaged or changed.